Hey guys, wanted to show you a quick little trick for if you don't have a jointer. You can use your table saw to joint the edge of a piece of material. Quite simply, I've got a sacrificial board attached to my table saw fence. Now I've got my blade running right up against the actual table saw fence, excuse me. I've got a piece of sacrificial material that is the thickness of my offset. I've got it clamped, obviously. And then I've just got this piece of wood right here just to hold it so that it doesn't try to lift up on me. So then all I'm going to do is take the material and pass it through. And what should end up happening is I should end up with a jointed edge without having a jointer. So I'm going to go ahead and do this and get back to you guys. Alright guys, so as you can see, looking straight down that edge, it is as true as if you were to joint it. Real simple and effective. So hope you guys enjoy. If you like this type of stuff, rate, comment, subscribe, and I always like these. Till next time.